Hey all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you are going to see a tutorial that I already shared in my Instagram handle. In case you're not following me in Instagram, please take a moment to check out my Instagram page and give me a follow there because I might sometimes be more active in Instagram than I am in YouTube. And yeah, it is the same as that of my YouTube channel name, which is Makeup by Mumtaj. I will link it in the description. And coming back to the life update about me, ever since 2020 started, I mean, we all are going through a lot and a lot. Universally, there has been so many things that are happening, and in my life especially, I moved out from my previous apartment and now at my new own flat. Mashallah, alhamdulillah. I'm so happy about this. I'm so glad that something like this happened to me in 2020, but I'm not in the right state of mind to enjoy because of so many other things that are happening in between. I fell sick. I mean, I was sick physically, emotionally, mentally. There were so many things that I had to go through. I'm now under medication, which I need to continue for a little long. And the time I'm doing the voiceover now, I'm not in the right mental state to do it, but I'm still doing it because I recently received a mail from YouTube that, my monetization will be disabled if I do not post any video in the next 14 days, which is not a joke, because as a creator, everybody puts in their heart and soul to create one single video and to post it. And, I had earned at least 2000 plus subscribers, which I know have been dipping down in the recent past. But then to have this monetization set up for me, I know how much I worked hard for it, and I do not want that to let go off from this channel. So that's it. That's also another reason I'm posting this video, although I had shared it in Instagram. So that's pretty much, guys. Sit back and take a moment to check out my other contents in this channel, and if you like, please take a moment to subscribe and also hit the like button, share and comment to this video, which would help me a lot in terms of growing this channel and creating a community here. That's about it, and yeah, inshallah, I will see you soon. Bye.